channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload from me. So I'm getting settled and unpacked into my apartment. I launched a 2-week YouTube hustle course and I have boxes everywhere. So I have not been able to unpack fully. So with my YouTube hustle course, I created it for aspiring YouTubers to have a community and a safe space to learn and grow as YouTubers. It's so much information out there, and I had a group of women who literally maybe didn't have a channel, or they did have a channel, they're looking to grow, and we just kind of had an open space where we could dialogue, talk about different things in the industry and different tips for having good YouTube content and good YouTube videos. Now with the YouTube Hustle Challenge, the girls are competing for a grand prize. With creating content, who doesn't need a iMac to up their game? So the girls submitting into the playlist, their videos, they are competing to win this grand prize. So in our community, the Hustle Gang has been working on their piece of content to put into the YouTube Challenge playlist. Now this playlist was created to spotlight Black creatives, and I am super excited because with my YouTube Hustle course, the main component of it was being able to have a community. And I know with creating content online and being in this social media space, sometimes you don't have a community, or you don't have support, or you don't have someone that you can ask a question and kind of just go on this journey together. So I'm super excited. My place though is not together because of it, so that's why in today's vlog I'm just going to getting stuff together. I think that the patio furniture should be here. Fingers crossed that is downstairs, so I'm gonna go and pick up my packages from downstairs. All right guys, I just got back with getting the packages. I'm super excited because the chairs came in. The patio chairs did come in. I'm super excited to open them up. Oh, I got two. Okay. Also, the book that I was talking about for the coffee table or credenza, however I decorate it, came in. Let me show you. Ooh, I love Black Girl Magic. Ooh. So the book that I got came in a nice pearl mailer, and this is how the book looks. It comes tied. Let's untie her so we can see how she looks in her greatness. Oh my God, this is Nikita Gibson's book, Self-Care, A Guide to Holistic Healing, Internal and External Care by Nikita Gibson. Doesn't she look amazing on the cover? She has a full spa in Brooklyn that's amazing. If you're ever in Brooklyn and you need to get your lashes done, you need a facial, you need your hair done, I would check out her spa. But I wanted this book, and you guys know I like greenery around my place, so this is going to be perfect as a coffee table piece, or you know, a piece right here or a piece over there. I have to figure out how I'm gonna like make my little pieces look cute, but I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Nikita. The inside of the book is beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Oh yes! Oh, we get more pictures in the inside too. We have different masks you can try with the ingredients to try, like for rough skin, for sensitive skin, for dull skin, do this mask. Okay. The different steps. Something special for men in here. Ooh, different masks for hair. This is what I mean by like I have to figure out how to make this just look cute. I got my little flower. I feel like I need something else, but I'm gonna have to make all of this come to life. But for sure, this is one of my books that I'm for sure gonna have on display. I love it. Now let's get into these two chairs that I have for my patio. These are in like this egg shape. And Harlem, you excited about the patio furniture? Are you excited about the patio furniture? Let's go ahead and open these up so we can see how they look outside. I'm excited. Harlem, we got new Ooh, Harlem, we got new patio furniture. Okay, so I told you guys that the theme outside is green, and yes, so that is true. I'm excited about the green vibes outside. Okay, whew. These might be bigger seats than I thought they were. I'm nervous. I don't know how to put these together. I'm gonna be right back when I get all the pieces together and put one together, because I need to find the instructions. I don't even know. Harlem, one down. So we have a one chair down. Woo! Okay, all of these had to be put in, like all of these little bolts. You excited about the chair? You excited about the chair? Oh, the egg is up. The egg is up. Let me put the cushion in. I'm so excited. This is the cushion being put into the chair. Shut up. Need some more pillows on here, I think. I wonder, is this gonna be comfy? I need extra pillows. This actually, oh, Harlem wants to come join. This feels like a comfy chair. Harlem, you gonna like this chair outside? You got a bed already, Harlem. Okay. Beep beep, Harlem. Coming through. Coming through. What is that freaking? Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Ooh. Yay guys, the chairs are out here. I need a little plant right there. Harlem's painting with his little bed, and maybe a little end table. Maybe it can go right here or right there to like put your little cup on or something. But they are freaking huge. I didn't realize how big they were, but they are so huge and comfy. Come on, hop up here, Harlem. Harlem wants to get up here with me. Come on. Harlem, your bed is down there. Your bed is not up here. Your bed is down there. So yeah, guys, I love my new egg chairs out here. They're so comfy. I can kick my feet up. Kick my feet up this way, whatever way, and just relax, eat a popsicle, do some work on my computer, journal in the morning, just wake up and lay out here and journal, write out ideas. I am super excited. Outdoors is a vibe. And my baby. Okay, come on. This is what I'm gonna have to deal with. No space. An invasion of space. All right, we got the new patio stuff set up. It is now lunchtime. Your girl is starving. I thought I would do some favorites of mine. Velveeta cheese, macaroni and cheese, period. Some cornbread. I was gonna do a can of green beans, and then I was gonna fry some chicken. Like something super. With all my fried foods, I've been using this deep fryer, which is so perfect. You just drop them in. So I'm super excited about my new gadgets. Oh, 1 second, hold on. Now, I found some pink kitchen appliances on Amazon. They're kind of smaller in size. I thought they were bigger, but like pink pot. This is definitely could warm up some soup or something, but, or like cook 1 egg, but I thought the pots were gonna be big. Let me see what's in here. Okay, there is bigger pots. So I got some pink new pots. Ooh, I'm gonna be cooking and it's gonna be pink, like a pink cutting board. They have all the matching tops and stuff. Let me see. I'm gonna put all this stuff in the dishwasher. But like, look at this. Look at this little, what am I gonna warm up with this? This pink pot set also came with the spatulas and stuff with the pink handles, so that was cute. And then all the pots have matching tops. So this is what the top looks like. Okay, I was a little bit nervous. It is smaller pots and then regular size pots. I was a little bit scared, but your girl has pink cooking appliances. Super cute. Okay, these were the pots I was looking for, the bigger size one. All right, so these are all the pots that my new pot set came with, like everything. So I didn't get lids to go on these. I guess this just fits on. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. So those didn't have lids. This one has a black handle, which I'm kind of like, oh, why didn't it have a pink handle? But I wanted some pink stuff. So these are my new little pink cookware that I have. In addition to this pink cookware, I did get some like pink oven mittens, and then these are my meal prep containers. Some measuring cups and stuff, but these are going to be my meal prep containers, and they're actually, well, this part is glass. I'm about to put all of this stuff in the dishwasher. I'm going to go ahead and cook with my regular pots, but I'm going to put this stuff in the dishwasher so that it can get clean and I can start using it. Got my cute little containers all unwrapped. And these will be put in the dishwasher for the next go round. Okay, yeah. Set up there. Let's turn this on. All right, everything is cooking and going. I love my little deep fryer. The cornbread is basically done. Okay, quick little shamil. Quick little shamil, okay. Ow. I like my chicken all the way done. So we're gonna let her go for a little bit more. Boom. Mac and cheese is gonna be good. She has 5 minutes left on her. All right, guys, the chicken is ready. I am super excited. I'm about to take the macaroni and cheese off. Ooh, it's chicken night. It's chicken night. Go ahead and get the hot sauce put on the table, girl. Okay, so that's our chicken. You know, with the macaroni and cheese, you just get this. Yes. Mix that up. All right, guys, this is like lunch slash dinner. I brought my table over in the living room so I can eat and watch TV, but dinner is done. I'm about to dig in. You guys already know this meal is like a traditional, a classic, a quick. We grew up on this, so I'm super excited. So I told you guys I have to get my place together and actually unpack all the boxes. This is what I'm talking about. I've kept my doors to my creator studio and my bedroom closed because it's boxes galore. Like, I've been rambling through boxes trying to find outfits, trying to find clothes, and I haven't had time to put boxes up. Let me show you guys. I don't want to turn on the light. Like, this bathroom is full of boxes. The closet is full of boxes. Where's the light? Harlem. I've just been like going through trying to find stuff. It's boxes everywhere. I'm going to have to figure out some type of organization. I thought I was going to do it today, but I don't feel like I'm going to. I don't know. I feel like I need to start this like early in the morning, like wake up early and just get to unboxing all this stuff and putting stuff places. I need to get my new place together. Let me know if you guys want the next vlog to be like clean with me, declutter with me, unbox with me. I'm pretty sure some of the things in the box, like I need to go through my clothes and just decide what have I not worn in a long time, what do I want to keep, like all of those things. So I feel like I just need to wake up in the morning and start fresh and go at all of this. I need help. Send help. Guys, no matter where I turn, I have boxes. So even in my bathroom, I have to unpack all my makeup and stuff. I'm gonna call it a day with this unpacking, getting my place together, and I'm gonna start fresh tomorrow. So guys, we'll get all of this together in another vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. Before I leave, I wanna give a huge shout out to the YouTube Hustle gang. I'm gonna have the playlist linked to this video in the description box and in a pinned comment. I'm about to go check on the videos, check on the playlist, make the playlist live, make sure that their thumbnails and everything look good, and make sure you check them out. So it's gonna be here. These are black girls and black guys doing it. Black excellence at its finest. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.